Hey, Scott here with Rolling Country Outdoors. Welcome back to this video. Man, we are going to be all over the place today, I believe. Got a lot of stuff I want to get done. Hopefully we can get a fraction of it done. We did go get a load of 57 rock this morning. We need a little bit of it down to go around the hot tub down below, and then I'm going to eventually work on this driveway going down the hill here. I need to clean that up with the excavator, and we'll need some 57 rock with that. I've got the Kubota already loaded with a landscape timber that I'm going to take down below that she wants to put. And then we're going to get the rest of those landscape timbers moved because I need to get to a pile of tin in behind there. And then we're going to get the RV moved into the barn today. And then hopefully go to the car show tonight, get the Camaro out, go to the car show tonight. So that's what I'm hoping. And then finish getting the down below cleaned up. So that's kind of some of the things I want to get done. We're well on the way. It's supposed to be a beautiful weekend. Mid 70s for the high, 50s at night. So looking forward to it. So hang tight, we'll get started here. Slow and steady. Okay, we're going to set it right here for a minute. Get out of the way. All right, we're going to try to attempt to set this timber on these pins and just roll it down there. I'll move this. It's just temporary sitting here. Remember when we poured this concrete, we said we were gonna put another timber on this side of that sidewalk, made that sidewalk kind of big, to put another timber down there to kind of match it. So that's what this is about. If you saw our previous videos, we talked about that. So hopefully I can set that timber on top of those blocks, and then we'll set them on top of those pins and just roll it into place down there. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think we'll put this one right here and cut the short piece down here. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of these moved and I'll be back with you. Can you put that board out? Oh, it already is. Wait a minute. Is that the scratch piece right there?
That was the top.
I wonder if that's the, what's that note say there?
Yeah, but when you take it off, you'll start from the top and go back to the bottom.
I'm wondering if that's not the scratch piece though. Let's.
I know, but when
It is. So set this one down. That one needs to go on top.
When we take it off, it'll be reversed of how we're putting it on.
I'm hoping to just set it on there. I don't know.
Oh, with the tractor?
I'm hoping so. Yeah, I think that's the scratch piece.
Are we leaning it?
Just lay it out there. I don't know if it's a scratch piece, so let's be careful with it. Out there, it's fine. I'm assuming it is because it's got stickers on it. Can we just say? See if we can push on it. You have to lift up a little bit, push on it. Lift up and push. All right, we got all that tin picked up, and down below, we're getting these implements out of here now. Landry's driving the tractor. I gotta change those forks. Lift. Oh, it'll go in. Yeah, it'll go in. Go down a little bit. Bring your RPMs up a little bit. You're good, you're in it. Bring your RPMs up. RPMs right here. That gets your hydraulic flow going. I'm going to sit on top of these 6x. Oh, you got your brake on. So hit that. Oh, wait a minute. Hit the other one. Yeah, you're off. Now that's your reverse. Hold on. Line it going backwards. You got it? Bring it up a little bit. Sit down on this end down here. Come up a little bit. Come up a little bit. Now tilt it down a little bit. You have to come up higher and then tilt it down, and then you can back out. So come up higher, higher. No, you got to come up higher. You got to go up higher. A little more. A little more higher. Now tilt it forward. There you go. Now come down. And you can back out. You got it. I think I'm going to have to move them in a little bit. Let's bring it up. You want to put those forks down a little bit. More. Got it? Bring your forks down. There you go. Try to come in. Okay, tilt them back. Bring your RPMs up. Now, there you go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Just tilt it forward a little bit. We'll keep it as low as possible, so go ahead and back up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't think you're in full drive. Yeah, that needs to be down. Yeah, you're good. There. Hey, wait a minute. You want to get your load low though, okay? So creep this way. No, don't go up. Go this way. And come down. Now come down. Curl up and come down. So curl up, curl. Then come down, yeah. Now come down with your load. Yeah, you want to stay as low to the ground as you can with your load. Come down a little bit lower. I'd have it maybe a foot off the ground is what I would do. There you go. Now curl it back. Curl it back. There you go. Make the tractor more stable. If anything happens that feels like it's going to tip, you slam it to the ground. Get that on the ground. Yeah, right next to it, yeah. Go up a little bit. Now curl it down. There you go. Okay, hold on just a second. let's take it off of that pallet. In fact, just go down with it. Go down. Come grab that side. Let's grab that side and we'll just swing it around. Oh. You all right? Oh, well, of course. Yeah, that's fine. I'll get another pallet. We'll throw that in the line. Okay, we're getting all this fence unloaded from the tractor. Trying to get all this straightened up here a little bit, organized, and out from down below. So that's what we're working on. Landry's out there helping us. Thanks, Landry. Appreciate it. And is struggling over there. She says the struggle is real.
That's why less is more.